Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First step that I'm gonna do is moisturize my skin with this Olay Natural White Light with UV protection. This product is really good if you have dry skin. Next is this intensive UV sunblock cream with SPF 50 from the 3W Clinic. Of course, we shouldn't forget about our pores, so now I'm gonna be using the Baby Skin Pore Eraser from Maybelline New York. Now I'm gonna be using this Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation Matte Plus Poreless in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. Now I'm just gonna blend it with this brush. Make sure that you blend your foundation really well to avoid patches on your skin. This is the Avon True Color Dual-Ended Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I'm just outlining my brows first and then filling it in. This is the Careline Pimple Concealer in the shade Oriental, and I'm just gonna apply this around my brows to define it and clean up some of the mess. By the way guys, this concealer is really affordable. I only got it for 100 pesos in Watsons. Using the same concealer, I'm gonna apply it to the areas where I need it the most and also to highlight the high points of my face. I'm just gonna apply this around my eye bag, around my nose, mouth, my forehead, and my nose bridge. This is the ebPRO Beauty Brick Eyeshadow Palette. It has 8 colors. I got this from Beauty MNL or Beauty Manila. It's only for 149 pesos. It's really cheap. Plus the colors are really pigmented. I recommend this to all of you. Using the same shade, I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line. Jennie has those shimmery shades around her inner corners and around the middle parts of her eyelids, so That's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna apply the shimmery shade around the middle parts and the inner corners. Now I'm gonna be using the Revlon Colorstay liquid eye pen. I'm just gonna draw a line at the ends of my eyes. It's up to you guys if you want to draw the whole line around the lid, but I prefer doing it this way. Now using the brown shade from the Beauty Brick palette, I'm just gonna contour my nose. I start from the ends of my nose and then work my way up the nose bridge and then blend it well. Now I'm gonna use this Careline lip and cheek tint in the shade Berry Red. I'm just gonna apply some to my lips and also to my cheeks. Next, to contour my jawline, I'm gonna be using this Imagic Professional Cosmetics highlight and contour stick in the shade Medium Tan. And then I'm just gonna blend this with my brush. To define my jawline even more, I'm going to be using the brown shade from the Beauty Brick palette. Jennie has this bold lip for this makeup look, so I'm going to be using the Revlon Colorstay in the shade 80 and just apply it to my whole lips for that bold makeup look. The last product that I'll be using is the same highlight and contour stick just to highlight the high points of my face. And we are done with this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.
You got me like